we're learning about the Lincoln Memorial, and they are building that marble chair that's located inside the Lincoln Memorial. They think it's fun and it's play, and they love to play with Play-Doh, but they're learning those basic parts of architecture and of design. You know, we're talking a little bit about, like, what does that chair look like? So they're looking at real world, you know, pictures of that structure and the materials that it's made of, and they're crafting with Play-Doh kind of, what do you see? Those arms, there's a place for him to sit, there's a back of the chair. So a lot of what especially kindergarten does looks like play to an outsider, but they're getting that exposure and experience that's so important, and the opportunities for them to collaborate and use their imaginations. They are laying groundwork for what we'll do in years to come as our builds get more complicated and as things get a little bit more strategic and specific. The fourth grade is going to build models of the White House. So we're going to talk about the structures of the porticos and how the columns provide support for that. And they're going to have to build from cardboard the whole structure. So they're going to have to figure out, how am I going to make this stay together? How can I make the structure secure and stable? We can build anything. We can build anything. We can build towers out of index cards. We can build houses out of cardboard. We can build with Legos. That part doesn't really matter. They will not have any trouble developing engineering skills, or, you know, taking these big jobs in, you know, engineering or in design and math fields, science fields. They're going to be naturals for that. But the soft skills is what we can do here through the building, through the science and the math, through the technology, learning how to communicate effectively, how to communicate kindly, how to collaborate, how to disagree, how to share ideas, and how to let go of your ideas. You know, we say every single day we're building with our hearts, not just our hands, and trying to help them build up who they are through those patterns that form our character. And it's such a real and authentic place for us to do that, and I'm really honored to be able to guide that with our students here.